Hello again, this is Jeff Underwood, and I'm going to show you how to put a nightlight in here that's slimline and no cutting needed. And I might as well get started. This is another module of the green light, and what we've got is we have a little light source that we're going to put behind this lens right here. And you've seen this before just as a standalone glow-in-the-dark lens. I'm going to put this behind this, and it becomes a night light. And here's one of the packages. So you will apply the staple. Has instructions in the back, and this performs pretty much just about like this. Before I actually started, we'll be getting power from this outlet. Don't do this unless you're trained to do it. Here's your light behind it. So there it works. So let's install this into here. I'll go in this direction. I'll take these screws. You can purchase these already assembled like this. They do cost a little bit more. This assembly, as it is $15. And it comes with this plate and this lens and this back plate already assembled. You can just order them. But now I'm going to take this panel off. This will fit right on here with no problems at all. And wire this into this portion right here, and you're done, because this sits flat on the wall. So you would take this out. I have a plastic case on this. I have not taken or removed the electricity. I suggest you do so. I like to live on the edge, and risk death. For shame, for shame. Now a lot of these have a little place where you can actually just shove a wire in. And right there they are. Alright. A bit stubborn. This is the black side, so I will choose to put this wire into the black side. And this is for entertainment purposes. We've spent about 3 minutes here, which isn't too bad. chose to turn off the power, it would be a little bit better, but hey, way too much fun this way. I'm going to just stick this back inside the wall. Just about anybody can do this. Again, I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver. Pretty common tool in anybody's toolbox, including most retirees and even a lot of kids. There's your nightlight, all done.